Welcome to this ReservHub tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to create a floor plan for your restaurant. Start from My Restaurants and open the restaurant dashboard. From the dashboard, open the floor plan or table management area for the restaurant you want to configure. The floor plan designer shows your restaurant sections, tables, and layout tools in one visual workspace. First, select the correct section, such as Main. You can now see the tables that belong to this section. Drag each table into position and arrange them to match your real restaurant layout. Place tables into rows, separate dining areas, or groups, depending on how your restaurant is organized. You can also move tables around the grid at any time, so the layout stays flexible as your venue changes. Next, use the object tools to add important layout markers, such as walls, doors, dividers, toilets, payment areas, or other service areas. These objects help staff understand the floor plan more clearly during live service. Continue adjusting the table positions and layout objects until the floor plan looks correct. When everything is in the right place, select Save Floor Plan. Your floor plan is now created in ReservHub and ready to support reservations, walk-ins, table availability, and live seating management.